Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to record this moment and keep it as a memory. So over the years, for people who know my hair, know how long my hair used to be, my hair had gotten here. I've had my hair, I think the very first time I started my hair was about I think it's like 2014 or thereabout when I started my hair journey, or 2015. I think it's 2015 that I started my hair journey, and my hair has like grown, massively. Though I have low porosity hair and 4C curls hair, like you have to like take precaution when doing my hair, washing my hair. I have to part it into four, wash it. My hair was never like this. The coil patterns was never like this. I had a bit of straight hair, but then I used one custard gel thing sometime, and then that really destroyed my hair. Yes, if you're wondering, products can really damage your hair or change your hair coil pattern and porosity and things like that. That product was the beginning of everything. It ruined everything for me. Okay, fast forward to years later. I'm going to be inserting all these pictures here so that you see it. I had my hair up, like I didn't know what to do with it. It was quite full and everything, so I went to this salon to get the salon in Newcastle, in city where I live, to get like a wash, blow dry and trim, because I've not done that like professionally before. So I decided to do it once, and then this woman, I told her, listen, the way my hair works is you have to part my hair into 4 places and wash it differently. I said this so many times to her, but she refused, and she washed everything like that. My hair got matted and she had to chop and chop. Like I could hear my hair going that sound. That was when I knew everything was over. And then she gave me, the heat damaged my hair, because I don't use heat on my hair. I rarely use heat on my hair. So the heat, I had a very nasty heat damage and everything like that. My hair really got bad from, it really got bad. It got really bad. Like I've tried to revive it. I've done everything. My hair has stopped growing. So apparently my hair used to reach there. This woman chopped my hair up to this length, or somewhere like this. Like she literally gave me a haircut. I wanted a trim. She gave me a haircut. She says she's a professional, and she asked me, can I have the video? I'm like, what video? Because I literally recorded it, and I went home. I lay down. I was crying. I literally cried. She messed my hair up, and that was the end of it. My hair stopped growing from there because heat damage, everything. Like my hair just dropped. Like the trauma that my hair went through, my hair stopped growing since then. What it does, like my hair now breaks like brittles, and if I'm combing it, I see tiny of it coming out. That's not my hair anymore. My hair used to be very long and thick and black. I will insert the video of what my hair color used to be, but now it's like, it's not jet black anymore. Maybe this is the light showing, but it's not jet black anyway. The things you're seeing is like I had it up on the bone, so it's like gel that I had. So that's what you're seeing there. That's not that. So my hair used to be jet black, and like I don't feel confident wearing my hair out anymore, so I started wearing wig. And then obviously you can see what wig has done to my edges. Even though I don't have full edges, my dad never had hair there, so I got that bit. So any little thing, that hair comes out and it goes out again. It grows out again. So I have just thought I've come to the end of nurturing something when it's not growing. It's just not working for me. Like I'm one of those girls who have had dreams. Like I'll be in the dream, and then I'll think about haircut, and I'll wake up and run away. I hate it so much. I can't do it. Like I hate cutting my hair. But in this situation where there's nothing I could do about it, I just have to cut it and start all over again. That's the confidence I'm giving myself. I'm not cutting my hair to let it go completely. I'm cutting it because I want to start all over again to grow a healthy hair, even though it's difficult. And this is the reason why I'm recording this video, because I want to have a there, and then obviously come back to it later during the years and see this is where how I started and this is where I've gone to. You know, I'm really sad, but the only thing that will not make me cry is my individual lashes, because if I cry, you know, it will come out. So I'm gonna try my best. Like I've tried, like I started getting teary. If you see my eyes, like started getting teary because I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna lose my hair. But yes, I'm losing it for a good reason, because I'm here to grow it back again. Like guys, if you see the product I've ever bought in my life for this hair, the products that I've reviewed for people on social medias or like Amazon, or just they will contact me through my YouTube, and so many of them, you know, like this is not just all like the product I have, my bathroom and the table here, like there's a table next to me. I'm not showing it because it's in a mess. Like literally the product I've had on my hair, like I make my own product. I do so many things, my oil, like I make them myself. So many things I do like for my hair and all that. But I just realized like I think it's time for it to go. It's just time for me to like get rid of the hair and start all over again. I know I'm talking too much, but like, you know, the emotion, I'm trying to talk so that I don't do it. Woo, this is the day. So there's so many people who do not want me to do this. If they see me doing this, it's over. Somebody said they will not talk to me until I grow my hair back. Another person said if I ever cut this hair, that's it for them. They're not speaking to me. I have another friend who said if you ever cut this hair, I mean, just don't even talk to me because I will not respond to you until that hair grows. And he gave me an example of how his cousin used to be a mistress, and then the cousin, the hair is like beautiful, full and all that. All of a sudden she just went to chop her hair, and then she came in and saw the hair. The cousin ran away. So when he came in to see the hair, the cousin ran away, and he was like, what kind of thing is this? Why will you cut your hair? He said he started crying, and he never spoke to the girl again ever until that hair grew back. But the hair grew up so fast. But you know, our own takes a little bit of time now. I'm not a mistress. I'm black. I'm straight black. So anyways, oh my god, I'm talking because I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Oh my god, I can't touch that scissors in my things. Okay, listen. Am I gonna do this? I'm gonna do it, right? Like, I'm literally going to cut my hair, like, cut my hair. You're cutting it for a reason. This is, guys, if you've not done this before, you will not know what I'm saying. If you have not done this before, you will not know what I'm saying. So this is like, coming in terms with what you're about to do. Like, am I doing the right thing? I know, yeah, I'm doing the right thing, but, oh gosh. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay. I'm looking at the mirror and I'm saying to myself, your hair is no longer growing, and it definitely needs you to like grow it from the beginning. Even though so many people have said to you that your hair is healthy, but they don't understand where you started from. So this is the reason why you need to start all over again. You know, don't worry about it. You got this in control. Just pack it together and chop it. Chop it. Oh my God. Are you sure I should do? Oh, Father Lord, Jesus, take the wheel. Oh my God. You stop saying I'm dramatic. I'm not dramatic. You have no idea what this is. Oh Lord. Chopping your own hair, man. Should I do it? Lord, speak to me. Please, should I do this? Should I do this? Like, oh gosh. Just do it. Just do it. No, start from the middle so that you won't change your mind. Oh my God. I'm gonna do it. Should I do it? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I've done it. Oh my God. My eyelashes. I've done it. I've done it. So there's no going back now. This is it. No going back. No going back. No going back. No going back. No turning back. I have decided to cut my heart down. I have decided. Jesus, I literally just cut my hair. Oh my god, I cut my hair. I'm gonna get off the camera now. I can't deal. I'm just gonna get off. I'll cut it and I'll come back and show you. I can't do it. Hey guys. So this is where I am so far. I'm still cutting it. This is the back of my head. You see it? So I'm still cutting it. I've never done this in like, I don't even know what I look like without hair. Am I still beautiful? I'm beautiful, isn't it? Let me show you. Okay, guys. I'm still gonna cut it like all flat, so I'll come back and show you, like literally scrape everything off. That's just the plan, and I'll start all over again. So I'll speak to you later. Bye. Hey guys, so this is what the hair looks like. Is it bad? I've literally just, oh gosh, I feel so fresh at my back. This is what it looks like. I can still feel some hair here, but not my back. My back, I don't want to turn around like that. So my sister said it's not bad, but I don't know. So I'm just gonna wash. As you can see, I still have hair. I'm gonna wash and come back and show you the final stage. Hey guys, so I've just showered, and I will put, like, feel like I put a bit of eye pencil on and blow dry my eyelashes. So this is the final one. Speak to you guys later. I'm still like emotional about it and all that. Everyone is asking me what inspired you. I inspired myself to a new beginning. Cheers. See you guys later. Bye.